Hi students, and welcome to week 3 in STEP 0171 Strategies for Success. I hope you had a great October. End of the month was good to you, and happy November. Gosh, can't believe we're already in November. It will be the holidays and end of the semester before we know it. So I wanted to preview and go over what we will be learning about this week. So this week, the focus is on goals and degree plans and career research, and with a little preview to time management, and I'll explain what I mean by that here in a minute. So you'll first read the sections 3.3 and 3.4, and that will help you with your goals discussion. So remember, on discussion questions, ideally you'll post your initial response, which there'll be a prompt when you look at that question when you open it up. And your initial response ideally is done by Wednesday. And the reason for that is so then you have, as well as your classmates, the rest of the week until Sunday to post on at least 2 classmates' post, right? So I reminded some of you last time that forgot on discussion questions that you also need to respond to at least 2 classmates. So this time, I will start counting off points. So make sure that you get that responses to classmates. If you all wait till Sunday to post your initial response, then you're all going to have to wait till Sunday to post the 2 responses. And so it can be a last minute for everybody. So that's why your initial post should be due on Wednesday, if at all possible. So that'll go over goals. Of course, goal setting is a big part of motivation and staying on track for all of your successes that you'll have as a student. And I'm going to skip this for just a minute. And then the second assignment here, you'll want to read section 6.1 and 6.2 in your book, and then fill out this occupation investigation worksheet. And this worksheet will help you just, do a little research thinking about the career that you want to go into. If you're not sure, you're not dead set on a career, that's okay. Choose a career that maybe you might be interested in going into. And so learning more about it and the research can help you with your decision-making process. So I'm not going to check and hold you to the career that you are researching, but really this should be for your own knowledge and your own discovery. So those are the 2 assignments that you have this week. Now I'm also going to go ahead and point out this time tracking for a week. And I'll scroll down. So in week 4, your reflection and you'll also have a monthly calendar and week of a life is due. And since these are due, again, not this week, not until November 14th, you want to start tracking your time this week, or at least get a jump start on tracking your time so that you'll have a full week in order to complete those assignments in week 4 next week. So it's really, just about, I'm going to open it really quick here, and you'll download this document if that's what you want to use. And you'll see it's just a quick spreadsheet of where you can track your time. And you can see sometimes I have to wait for things to open too. But what this is really, this is about you knowing where your time is being spent. And so I think so often, we're so busy and we don't realize where all of our time is going. You blink and it's Friday and you're like, where did the week go? I know I feel that way. So it's very helpful just to be really intentional about where your time goes. And so I put 6 a.m. to 5, through the night, but you can make adjustments as you see fit. But be honest, like, when do you go to sleep? When do you wake up? Is it a consistent throughout the day? Do your weekends look really different with your sleep schedule? So your sleep schedule, how much time you're studying, how much time you're at work, eating, showering, driving, chores, whatever you're doing. I know you're busy, but try and capture an accurate portrayal of where your time goes in a week. And guys, this is for you. you're the one that's going to benefit. And I do this usually once a semester, because when I'm feeling overwhelmed and I'm like, where is my time going? And it can be very helpful. We think we know, but when you see it on paper, it might surprise you. I know I'm surprised by my own time. And a lot of times that's like, I didn't realize I was wasting so much time doing things that weren't getting me to my goals. So be honest with this, because it will be more helpful to you. Don't write down what your week should look like. Really track where your time is being spent. Okay? So that is everything for this week. And looking a little bit ahead to next week. So I appreciate all your work so far this semester. I know we're just getting going here, and Flex 2 can be a challenge because you may have, more classes, or this might be an add-on to what you already started back in August with classes. But you're doing a great job. Keep up the great work. And I'm always here to help you if you have any questions, or if you need some support with assignments, or just any questions about SAC overall. Take care and have a great week.